Good morning, friends. Today is our summer morning routine video. I'm just showing you a typical morning in our house, which will look like Monday through Thursday, and Friday is kind of like a break day where we play with friends and stuff. But on Monday through Thursday, my oldest has football practice with the school. He's had it all summer. They just try to get him in shape before the season starts. So I have to get up at 6:30. I wake him up at 6:45. I get his breakfast going. Today, he is having scrambled eggs and 2 strips of bacon. That's what he wanted. He always tells me the night before what he wants. And then some mornings I just throw in some croissants in the oven, easy, quick breakfast so I can get him fed and out the door for practice. So I'm just going to crack some eggs and scramble these eggs up, and then I'm going to get everything else prepped for him, like put his Gatorade in the lunchbox because they have a 15-minute break where they can have snacks, even though he doesn't typically eat the snack. He has before. I just like to make sure that he has it in case his friends are eating and he wants to eat it, but he does always drink the Gatorade, which I'm glad he's rehydrating, along with his huge water bottle that I will later fill up. And then I will put all of it by his football bag and put it in his bag so he is ready to go and doesn't have to stress in the morning to make sure he has all his stuff, because he's getting up at 6:45 and I would be a zombie if I was a kid on my summer break having to wake up that early. So anyways, I'm going to finish this and then go wake him up.
Cooper, it's time to wake up, bubs. Good morning.
And now I make my way back downstairs to finish up his breakfast after waking him up, my sweet little boy. And now I'm going to plate his food and get it ready so he can start eating breakfast. And then while he eats, I like to sit down with him and talk with him about, what's going on, what he dreamed about, what he's excited about for football. Just have like a little one-on-one time because I miss that. He's getting so big, and whenever they get to their preteens and teenager years, they just want to hang with their friends, talk on the phone, have his whole childhood. So I like to be filled in a little bit and squeeze in that one-on-one time whenever I can.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my weights and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can't grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want, it's just an illusion. Try to come down, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing.
And then after he finishes eating and it's time for him to go, he's going to slip his shoes on and grab all of his football stuff and head out the door. And of course, I have to get my squeezes in whenever I can. He's almost as tall as me. I can't believe it. He needs to stop growing. But then I make my way back to the kitchen and put away his plate. And then I'm also going to eat the leftover eggs because later I leave them out, but my youngest didn't want it. He had cereal. So I just washed up this, and then I'm going to make my breakfast. I'm going to make me a piece of toast and then have the leftover eggs and heat me up a piece of bacon, and then I'm going to sit and eat it and enjoy my breakfast in silence while the little one's upstairs doing his thing.
It goes like, I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion. Try to come down, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know.
And now I am done eating, I'm going to clean up the pan that I did the eggs in and get the kitchen back reset, and then I'm going to make my way upstairs and get ready for the day. And the next time you see me, I will not be in my PJs.
We're singing. It goes like. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself.
Now you see me in PJs, and now you don't. I finished getting ready. I put some joggers and a tank top on for today, so I'm still in some comfy clothes. I'm not getting all fancy. We are now doing summer reading. We do 30 minutes in the morning. It's doable. I read a page, he reads a page. It just helps him not get overwhelmed with it, because if I just threw him the book and was like, hey, go read for 30 minutes, he wouldn't be able to focus. You know, he has some learning disabilities, so it helps if I help him stay on task and stay down here while he reads, and we do it together, and then he doesn't get overwhelmed by it. So it works for us. So that's what we're doing for 30 minutes before we have to leave and head out in the car and go. I had to pick up also a pickup and then get brother from football.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound.
Okay, so I'm done driving around. We're here waiting for him to get out of football. Usually after we finish reading in the morning, because he has to get that done in another week and a half, and then he has some questions to answer. So we'll be doing that, I guess, Monday through Friday, and then I'll give him a break on the weekend, and then we'll pick up reading. So I think he should be done by next Friday, and then we'll do the questions and get that checked off the list for back to school. But besides that, in the morning, after we get ready, I'll do one errand before we come out here and pick him up for football. But that's about it. As you can see, I have my Walmart back there because I forgot to pick it up yesterday. So went ahead and did that, and now we're just gonna wait for 20 minutes and pick him up and then get some lunch. But that is about it for our morning routine. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.